What's the deal with Unreal? I see it. Is it fake? Are the games fake? Sorry. There we go. Whoa.
Poop.
FNG art. Things are going pretty well. I mean, wow, shit. Okay. And there it was. Brian got a guitar string. Some new Cat 6. Or something. Because one of the cables I made is falling apart. Well, not falling apart, but it just keeps getting disconnected from my network switch. At least now I know where to look. Fucking hell. Forest full of trees. I can't find a single one. Oh, okay, there's my bathroom for the night. Yep. What's that? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Nope. Oh. Damn it. No, 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 no. Effin, go ahead. Stretch your legs out. Stretch everything that you need to stretch out. Here, I'll show you how the day is gone. Day's gone like this. Hours in, and this is what I've accomplished. Yeah. Ah, help me.
Sharing guitars, a world on fire. Jamie does the death, the code breaker missile.
seriously? I just made the goddamn connection. I just... Oh, wow. I just... Yes! Hello, hello, hello. Welcome in, everyone. Oh boy, let's do a quick refresh here. There, now the chat's showing up. Awesome. How you doing? Glad to hear it. Thank you for being first. Thank you for saying hi. Is the thing gonna run the test? Mega Killer, welcome in on YouTube. Good to see you. Let's check the numbers here. Make sure that I have the right count. That hurts. That hurts. All right, so I have determined, just because I've got so much shit happening this week, I can't guarantee that I can dedicate time to doing a game jam. I'm 125. Awesome. Very good to hear. Hey, Razy. What is up? So, yeah, I can't. I don't think I can dedicate the time. To do a game jam because I've got interviews, like, seems like every day, and so I can't dedicate focused time to doing game jam. But I'm still gonna play with this a little bit. This whole rhythm game thing. This is my finger going towards the button. That was for you. Sometimes I forget I have those buttons. But then you remind me. Just like Nickelback said, this is how you remind me what I really am. So some of the things I was working on or thinking about for this, or we need music. So I got LMMS pulled up here. Um, I'll make a killer. um, I have been out of work for months, so I'm trying to find job. So I'm I'm interviewing with various places. trying very hard to Okay, so let's get about 8 bars of that. Ogre, sorry, was that really loud? And that wasn't the intention. I apologize. I'm learning this. Okay, now okay. Well, I can be louder. Actually, I don't think I can. I have my limiter set up to not make me that loud. I would like tooltips in this app. That'd be great. The devs. All right, now instruments. I like to play. I'm not good at making music on here by any means, but up. I'd love to be good at making any kind of music. No. All right, let's see. I think I also got some. Oh yeah, hold on. Music. Oh, damn you. All right, let's see. We're gonna go here. No, that one isn't it. Maybe. All right. I would like different sound. Let me see. What can I do here? Why is everything so low? Can't hear anything in there. Master volume, master pitch. Hey, duct tape, what is up?
Whatever, because I never heard Project Voice or heard Conversation like that. But everybody had to say, looked at his shit. It's him. Fucking, it's the dude. He's on.
Let's instead go with Free Boy.
I listened to a couple of the podcasts. Like, I did my research. He's the guy, right? In voice. And he's fucking sick. And he runs Project Voice. He's been known for years. And he had the founders of Siri fucking talking about hanging out with Steve Jobs. I was like, what the fuck? Like, why the fuck did this guy find me?
Okay, okay.
And I asked him, how the fuck did you find me, man? Like, I'm not.
Lip
like,
hygiene,
I'm
my friend.
good.
Lip hygiene.
I've actually done a lot, but nobody knows who the fuck I am. And he was like, I have people that find me.
See, 1, 1, 5, minor 6. One 5 minor 6 4. Oh wait. Five is G. Okay, so let's see if I can record this. We're gonna quantize it to quarter note. Turn on the metronome. No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. 1. The 80. What are the 4 chords? Tell me the 4 chords. All right, let's see. Pause it just the right time.
Recognize this?
Yeah. 1, 5, minus 6, 4.
Don't mess with my toot toot. I know you
What
haven't
is up,
had
Big
a woman.
Gamey? Welcome in.
Don't mess with my toot toot.
Those toot toots are not to be trifled with. Do not trifle with the toot toots.
This is true. This is fine. That's probably the correct response.
Okay, so I think that's what we want there. Maybe. Maybe. Then probably take it down. Ooh, wait a tick. Really hard because I'm playing this on a computer keyboard. On, on Z through Z through question mark. I would prefer to be playing it on a MIDI controller. Which, if anybody's curious, I have added one of those here on Amazon or on Throne. I have. Oh, yes, I have. I also have some hot monkey nuts. And I put some nuts on Throne as well. But not saying anybody has to buy that for me or needs to. It's not available. Oh, okay. Whatever. But I do have a Throne. Yes, 2 interviews. We'll see how they go. Or how they went. Yep, both done. Let me play the I never feel like an interview goes well. Ever. I guess we could do this. No, I don't want to. I just want to keep it in C. I don't think I could do both. Because the one that is not just a month is wanting to start very, very, very soon. Like soon, soon, soon. Ah. Oh. Ah. Dang it, I'm missing a cable. There we go. Duct tape, it is rare. Even the people I was interviewing with were like, we don't normally do this. We this is new to us. I'm like, well, you know, new to me too. I don't like doing contract, but you know what I like even less? Being broke. All right. Tools here. But I don't know how quickly the 1 month is looking to get started either. I mean, if they're not going to do it for another 3 weeks, and this other one's wanting to start up next week. Okay, how can I get tools? Okay. I need to have this. Ooh, ooh. I'm trying to get the MIDI controller here working. And let's see, because it's not perfect, but yeah, because perfect would be one of these available on my throne if anybody's feeling extremely generous. Using MIDI. Oh, Big Amy. You know Queen Cricket, right? Of course you do. You hang out in science enough. Check this out. So she did a thing. How do you spell her name? Because we also know Cricket. Game dev Cricket. Is it not game dev Cricket? No, wrong. That's not game dev because that one has underscore, and now I just shouted out some rando. No, Big Gamey, that's the one I mean. Her.
Swinging a chain, swinging a
We're just gonna let this go for a bit. Still needs work. Welcome in. Good to see you. So interesting story since Bit Gamey's here. So, Cricket did back in May a tribute to Kung Pao Enter the Fist, which is a great movie. If you haven't seen it, see it. See it. It's so bad, it's good in the best kind of way. Basically, the creator took footage from an old kung fu movie and talked over it and edited himself into it and reshot a few things. And so the main bad guy's name is now Betty. And so she did this back in May. And I saw it. I'm like, I have to comment on this. And so I put a line from the movie. And then somebody liked it. Well, a few people liked it. But specifically, this guy liked it. Who is the star and creator of Kung Pao Enter the Fist. And also Thumb Wars, but Kung Pao. So this is this is really cool. Yep, Thumb Guy did Enter the Fist. So let's make sure that we're spelling her name right. Cricket, is it 3 underscores? 3 underscores, jeez.
One night, wrote that compliment down. What crickets? Vic, I freaking love you, Vic. You are the best. I think it was a wonderful life, right? I wish I had a dad to tell him Happy Father's Day. I'm so sorry. Welcome on in. How are you doing? How are you doing, Michael?
That
How
is
are you
some definite
doing?
Midwest Canadian accents happening right on in there. Happening right on in there. Welcome on in. Quick MIDI setup. Okay, fine. MIDI input. Oh, shit. Enable MIDI input. So I have to close it down and then restart it. Right, let's see. Excuse me. How have you been? Still needs work. Good to see you. I think I already said that. I've been talking a lot today and to other people in real time, which is weird for me. So the whole point of this is that I want to have a different song than the one that I have here. So right here, if I play this, pause music. So we have the beats. We have the beat counter. I have perfect timing. Well, good timing. All right. Free boy. Okay, how do I enable MIDI on here? This is doing. Oh no, still needs work. You're not gonna that's no good. That's no good. The device manager here. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay, where? Oh, EWE 5000. There we go. Properties. Let's uninstall it. Oh, wait, does it not do MIDI through USB? Damn it. Are we going down another rabbit hole here? EWE 5000 MIDI. Windows. Okay. Settings. It is not. It is not doing it. Not ML. Show results with LMM. Yeah, for a coarser grind, you need to let it stew or need to let it brew or bloom for a lot longer. So a coarse grind would work great if you have a French press. Um, that'd be perfect. Can't help you there. A decent French press, I know I have no room to talk, but it is not overly expensive. I've got one. I think I got from IKEA. Um, inputs. Why? Why? You- Then the input, Jason, welcome back. The MIDI or there isn't an input. Here I'll show you. I'll show you. If I go to MIDI input, if I hover, nothing shows up. So I don't think Windows is even recognizing that there's a MIDI. Da- ba- ba- da- ba- da- ba- 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 ba. Let's see. Plug and play my ass. Still needs work. The coffee is much better from a French press, especially with a coarser grind, because you have more control over the temperature. Ideal temperature is between 190 and 200, usually closer to 190 range. And Mr. Coffee and other instant coffee maker, not instant, but those consumer grade coffee makers like that, they really don't brew at the right temperature. They brew a little bit hot, so it ends up being a little bit bitter. With a French press, with an AeroPress, with things like that, where you have more control over the temperature, you get a much better bloom and a much better tasting coffee, because it with drip, unless you have a good drip coffee maker, it just goes through and there isn't time to bloom. With something like French press, you let it sit for a little bit, you let it bloom, you let the grounds, all the oils seep out into the water, and you get that beautiful, beautiful bean water. Source, I used to own a coffee shop. Let's see. Pretty sure that this is the one that I already have. I already have this firmware. Duct tape, it had its moments. I mean, it failed miserably, like so many things I do. Um, and I was the final owner in a 100-year, 100-year-old coffee shop. Um, but the community just wasn't behind it, and I wasn't making money, and I couldn't pay my employees, and I also was getting in trouble at my day job because I had to work a full-time job as well to cover the bills of the coffee shop because I was losing money left and right. It was fun in the beginning. I mean, I enjoyed it. I really Willie's work. It looks like that is just a standard one. Free software. Free software found for search Google for that cognitone. God damn it. Yeah, damn it. Hey, Big Orly, thank you. Hey, Ryan, how you doing? I just did colon toilet. Yeah. Codex. Actually, I got that part done. Right now, I'm just trying to get into the hook up my iwi as a MIDI controller. But Jason, there's only one other option and it's already set. I think it's a problem with my iwi. So all I've got is win MIDI. I wonder if well, I haven't gotten into anything in with controller latencies, but I can walk you through what I used and how I've got it how I've got it going here in a little bit, just right after I can figure out if I can get my thing, my MIDI working here. Oh, the colon or the toilet is just colon toilet colon. Codex here. It is detected as USB. I'm seeing it. Oh, it's a better TTV. Um, let's see how. They keep this. I'm just going to download the zip. Yeah. Still didn't work. It looks like it's a better TTV emoji. So that might be the problem. Extract them all here. Extract. Get extracted. Check for updates. Through output. Okay, now let's see. Settings. Discard. Let's try something else. Okay. Damn it. Okay, we got that. Now, still nothing. Still no. Yeah, it's sending out MIDI signals, but I mean that should. For output, the synth there. Okay. I'm hearing it. Very, 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 very low. Paul learns. I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. I'm just trying to get it so that I can play my iwi, whip out my iwi, and just start playing it. And I don't want dynamic. No, no, nope, nope, nope. Because I need the BPM. I need a set BPM. It can't be um I don't want to use AI song generation for this. Okay, let's okay, so we got that. So that's being read. Let's close down again. All right, ads are starting. I'm gonna take a quick break. I will be back. Shit. Bye. Bye. He's like a fainting goat. So I'm doing all the I'm doing all this to for just to try and get video. Oh, don't come for me. Don't come for me. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Um, no, 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 no. Oh, no wonder. On backwards. Where's that other one hiding? There is a Or is that just the crotch that's actually my nose? Peed.
Guess what? I'm gonna chase you with the chainsaw. Yay!
That's understandable. So for readers coming in, my name's JD. I am a web developer, currently out of work, looking for a job.
Here also, y'all, is a nice little look at the ant head, and that yellow is
Got it. So wait, you've got no playlist, but you've got 6 videos up here. Up to 1,300 subscribers. What would you say you attribute your... I want to make it clear right here, right now. I am against ripping your dick off and throwing it at somebody, okay? Okay, back with degraded frame rate.
Did you just rip your dick off and throw it at me?
Still nothing. Oh, wow. The hell? There. Ah.
Long, long
Nope. Problem with they mute everything else in the system to get around this. I don't want to deal with that. No Polaroid from any of that. Nope. See, let's. EC2 media control to volume. Hold on. Um, Connected through USB. Um, Definitely works. I've. Here, this is what I'm running into. No. Thank you, anonymous gifter. All right, so here's what's gonna happen. Discard. Do that. Disconnect all together here. Okay. Plug it in. I'm reading them codecs, but you're throwing a lot of information at me. I can only do so many things at a time. And I want to try to go down the list here. Okay, controller. Interesting. Let's try on LMMS now. Let's just see this. Still no input. I'm using 64. Okay, where'd that browser synth go here? Input. That is just dumb. LMS, dumb. See. Okay, let's close that. Third by Daylight, welcome in. Okay, this is weird. Very weird. When I change it, so you can see it's got 34 here, then changes to 27. So something is definitely happening there. So let's see. All right. Well, I need a real MIDI controller. I don't know what the hell. No, I mean like a keyboard. I would like a real, because I mean a breath controller isn't gonna get a whole lot of eh, support because they're so How many people have actually heard of an iwi? I don't need to pretend. I'm better. My saxophone's bigger. Much bigger. Let's see. What's this? What's this? Traverso. Well, I guess Traverso is not a thing anymore. Hey, Munglo, welcome in. Good to see you. So, questions about what we're working on. I mean, I'm working on Headache, but the actual project is a rhythm game. At least the parts of a rhythm game. So right now, I've got this. I'm gonna turn down, and it tracks the beat. Given the BPM, it'll tell you what beat you're on. So I could program events into different beats here. And you look down here, yeah, exactly. I mean, see the debugger and you see the word perfect and good. That's me hitting a key on the beat. So I have it tracking when the beats are pressed, or if I have a perfect, good, or a completely missed note. I think I'm gonna make this M125. Welcome back. You get a little bit more forgiving. Yep. And I got this from. Let's open up a new. From a demo. I took a lot of the code from there. Lancha. But this demo didn't actually have like taking the button inputs. So that's what I had to add on to it. And it gives different ways of compensating, whether using the system clock or the sound clock. Both of them do still use the audio server, get time since last mix, and the output latency. M125, take care. Thank you for stopping in again. Appreciate you. Ooh, that Humble Bundle link just reminded me. There are a couple of good bundles out right now. I haven't picked them up because I'm broke. But the number one here, or not number one, but one of them that I'm very, very interested in is a bunch of game development Brooks. So I would like to get these and have them in my library. And if I forward on enough, and if enough people, use my link, then yeah, I'm gonna get it. I especially want this one. The Indie Game Developer Handbook. I want it. I want it. And then the other one that came up that looks really good for anybody looking to learn game dev. Are these learn game dev courses? Man, I want to get these too. It. What? That's the same link. Damn it. One moment. I want to pin it. Can I remove the message? Can't remove my own message. I can only pin my message. But there is the other one. And I plan on if I get enough, to afford these bundles, I do plan on buying them both. So that's my that's my humble bundle sales pitch. Where is it? Oh, it's from Zenva. Oh, never mind. I think I have most of it already, at least the Godot stuff. So I can. No, there's stuff added in here I don't have. That I definitely want. Shit. What's a 2 item? Oh, fuck you. So yes, if I raise that, the amount for all these, I will pick it up because I want it. But yeah, Codex here. Yeah, this one, it just simply did a count using the BPM. Now the problem is that you have to know the BPM. If you don't know the BPM, then you're gonna have a bad time, and it's really difficult with something like a recorded song, um, like this one that we're listening to. Yeah, we can. But it's a human on the drums, so it's going to have some variation to it. And if you've ever played a Beat Saber custom map, you will find that as well. That any songs that aren't using electronic drums or electronic beats will be difficult to really sync up unless you do. Don't know what that noise was. Yeah, it's a lot of extra work, which is why I think that a chiptune would be perfect, especially with the kind of game that I'm doing, which isn't going to be like a Guitar Hero type thing. So I took a lot of the code from here, and this is a really cool looking thing. PCW LLC, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. I hope you're doing well. Have day great. Hope I appreciate you. I appreciate your follow. That's what I'm getting at. Thank you. So this one, in the demo here, I just added a little something really simple, just this beat indicator, just to test it out. I also added in quite a few print statements here. So what we could do, and what I did on the version that I was working on, my customized version of it, is made the BPM track its own thing that we could add into any scene and put in the BPM and the song here and set the beats per measure, as well as you could do the math, but the first time you play it here, it is off by two beats. It's not a beat off. It's 2 beats off. Because I ran it all the way through and I divided the time by beats per second. And it gave me 349. However, it ended up with 351 in total. Excuse me. Bun TV, thank you for the sub. Whoop, whoop.
Bun TV just subscribed.
Thank you for the sub. You showed me some love. And this is a minor chord to make it sound sadder than I really am. Bun TV, think 10. Holy shit, and look at these names that are coming through. Queen Cricket got a sub, Sea of Tranquility got a sub.
Hey, insert rating streamer's name
What?
here. Thank you for the raid.
What?
How did insert last activity here go?
Thank you, Bun.
Now, let's rock.
Also, Practical. Deving is going well. How is your stream, Practical? Welcome in. How is how is definitely not Celeste? Oh, look, you're playing Shidy's new
Oh, shit.
game,
Oh,
right?
dude, oh my god, Shiny. Dude, that that is not fair, Shiny. You at the last second, everything
Hey,
just
and look,
kills
there's
me.
me.
That's bad game. Bad game. You know, don't wish list. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Don't wish list.
What the hell, bro?
Yeah, I was in there. That was really cool. Folks, Practical, check out Practical. Follow Practical if you're not already. Is Firebot running? Oh shit! No wonder some of this stuff isn't working. Whoopsie. One moment. There's a link for it. Go wishlist it now. It's coming out soon. My name's in it in a couple places because I am backer number 1 on the Kickstarter. I am number 1. 2 is not winner, and 3 nobody remembers. Hey, that's what she said. So readers coming in. For those of you who don't know me, I'm JD. I'm a web developer currently looking for a job, currently actively interviewing, currently learning game dev in Godot. Right now, I'm working on a couple side projects just to refresh my brain. This one is very simple rhythm game, just mechanics. I don't have any game part to it yet, but someday I might. The other one, the real fun one, the one that I'm most proud of so far is the bear game, which is one that I am going to Fun Bun TV. Thank you. Wait, did that should have triggered Hype Train? I mean, I'm not being greedy at all, but you know, having a sub and then followed by thing should have done Hype Train, I thought. But apparently not. I thought it was 2 events. Whatever. I don't care. I still appreciate you. I appreciate everything. I appreciate rigged. Probably would have been a Golden Kappa Hype Train too. So people coming in from Practical's stream, if you like what you see, or if you don't like what you see, and just want to hate watch, then drop a follow. If you do like what you see and want to not hate watch, drop a follow. Bun Bun, I appreciate you so much. Look at the googly eyes. Thank you for the Jumboji. All right, we're getting output. What is here? This is taking like Unity time to Munglo. That's all I can ask. Folks. Did I give you a shout out already? Not yet.
And a lot of this is broken. Oh, no.
What the hell are we looking at here? I see it in
Yep. I was basically reenacting things. But you know what? We don't need this in this file.
Insert rating streamer's name here.
What?
Thank you for the raid. How did
Another raid?
last activity
Omni!
here go? Now, let's rock.
Here comes the music. Oh. Welcome in, Omni. I don't think the fancy, the twitchy shout out is gonna let me do it just yet. but we will soon, I think. Let me see what Twitch said. Anyway, how was your stream? Some get stuck in streamer bot. Some get stuck in streamer bot. I bet. Hitting actions, no. Q. There we go. There we go. Maybe. Welcome in, Raiders. Omni, if you got anything you want to share, please, by all means. Twitch is not letting me give the shout out just yet. 9 hours fixing bugs. That does not sound great. That sounds like nightmare. That sounds like call the raid, call the exterminator, call the Orkin man. So I was just getting ready to show off a little bit of Sooty. Raiders coming in. Double raid. I do not Instagram. I actually don't have one, and I want to keep it that way. So if you got a different link or a clip or anything that you want to share, please share it out. If anybody else wants to take a look at that, go right ahead. Why isn't shout out? There, a real shout out. There. I've done it 3 times and it still didn't work, but now I gave you a real shout out. So my main game is Sooty's Revenge, a story of a bear in the woods. No, we aren't asking whether or not he poops in the woods. We're asking if Godot can handle what the actual living fuck is going on here. Something is eating my GPU. Exit Steam. I was redeeming some free games here. Oh noes. And scatter is broken. Okay, scatter not broken. All right. Sorry. So weird sometimes. All right, so I'm gonna press the play button here. This game, in fact, is called Sooty's Revenge. It's all about a bear in the woods who doesn't like fire. Now, it may sound familiar, but if it sounds familiar, you're wrong. It is legally distinct from any other bears who hate fires that you may have heard of. Also, Lexi, I'm sorry if I didn't say hi. You came in right in the middle of the raids. So I am super glad to see you here. Let me improve the stream a little bit here. Hold on 1 second. Make the stream better now. All right. So you play the part of a camper who's gone a little bit too far into the woods. And you're in an area, starting off at least, called Sooty's Rest, named after the titular bear. And your goal is to find your way out without dying. How do you die, you may ask? Well, let me tell you. You start a fire so that you can see your surroundings a little bit better, even with the flashlight off. Then you go check out your mini maps. And guess what? You don't have a mini map. All that you have are these bulletin boards around the campgrounds, right? Like this, saying you are here. There are some other campsites. There's some information stuff. There's a ranger station that we were at. There's a bathroom. It has some ground rules like don't feed the bears, don't leave fire unattended, like you just did. Oh, we're running out of battery. Do bury your poo, and do be prepared to die. So let's head back to our fire and figure out where to go next. Now there are some defensive parts to, or defensive, what the hell? Defensive mechanics Now, this isn't the game that's slowing down. It's something with my computer. I had to roll back my drivers today. My NVIDIA driver, because it was breaking all kinds of shit. Oh, I still have the... Oh. Who's that? Listen. Oh, you can't hear it. Why wasn't the sound coming? Hold on 1 second. This is not right. Audio capture. Okay. Weird that it's not capturing that. Is it getting any other sound from there, or is this... Are we not getting any sound from anything? Did I mess the things up here? I'm sorry, I... Slightly distracted. Get the fire. Let's see if we can get the bear back, because you should have heard the bear. I'm guessing this means that you also can't hear other things like any of the sound effects or anything like that. Can you hear? Okay, that appeared, but the sound from bear game is not coming through. Weird. That's gonna bother me because I put a lot of effort into the roar. A lot of effort into the roar. Okay, where is bear? Where did bear run off to? There's bear. So the defense mechanism that I have is going to be you can blind the bear temporarily if you have enough battery in your flashlight, but it kills your flashlight. It's just enough time for him to whack you if you don't run away. And then you die. So that is a game that I'm working on, primarily. But I'm taking a little bit of a break to get some fresh perspective on it. And instead working on a bit of a rhythm game. At least the mechanics for a rhythm game. I guess I can make the stream worse now. There we go. The stream has been lowered in quality. And what I'm doing here is just getting so that we can tell when an input is happening. What? Are you fucking kidding me?
Thank you for the raid.
Triple raid.
Last activity here go. Now, let's rock.
Welcome in, Raiders. Proton Fig, good to see you. How was your stream? How's everything going? You got any a beat drop. I like that. You tricked me. Very cool. What were you working on? Got anything to share? Anything you want to show off? Raiders, welcome in. For those of you who don't know me, I'm JD. I'm a web developer, currently looking for a job. So I'm learning something new while looking for a job, and that something new is game development. Currently using Godot. Currently working on trying to figure out how to build a rhythm game, because I can. And currently struggling with MIDI problems. What MIDI problems, you may ask? Many MIDI problem. Specifically, issues with getting LMMMs to recognize my iwi. These are some interesting things to say out loud. My main game I just showed off, called Sooty's Revenge. It is a game about a bear who really, really, really hates forest fires and really hates the people who... Omni Digital, thank you for the follow. Glad you're here. Glad that you rated in. I really appreciate you. Ooh, what new hardware? Okay, what do we got here? I'm getting another recruit. I've got news. I've got some news. Some very important news, folks. You might have told me, and I might have slipped my mind, but that is so cool. Next generation Amiga. Oh man. But Echo Show. Thank you for the follow. I'm glad you're here. But folks, this is important. This is important news. I have to tell everybody. I just got a notification on LinkedIn. Someone with the title recruiter viewed my profile. That is all. Take a look at this. What? What? This is so cool. Awesome. Hey, Proton, what I'm sure I already know the answer to this, but what do you use to make the music? Is it all done in the Amiga ecosystem? And also, if you need to go after stream, Goat Tracker. If I search that, is that going to get me like, is that going to ban some kind of, or get me banned on Twitch for terms of service? I'm afraid to press enter on this. Hold on. Let me just in case. Okay, that's not nearly as bad as what I thought might pop up, but this is going to mess up my algorithm so much. My goat manager, GPS goat tracker. Stay ahead of the herd. Farming goat. I think this might be what we're wanting. So the reason I'm asking is because I am, well, ads are starting up. That's not why I'm asking, but that is something that's going to put a damper on the conversation because I also have to pee. So I'm gonna take a quick break. And I will be right back. There we go. Points left. You really want to see me have sex on stream, don't you? Whoa. Forest full of trees. I can't find a single one. Oh, okay, there's my bathroom for the night. Yep. Set. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh. No. Oh. Damn it. That's understandable. So for readers coming in, my name's JD. I am a web developer, currently out of work, looking for a job. Where's that other one hiding? Or is that just the crotch? That's actually my nose. And then this is what I love about StreamerBot. See the walk loop, make sure, taking a step, ooh, watch me strut, ooh, here I'm a bear, ooh, got a big butt, ooh, my name's Sooty, ooh. Okay, back. And about 6 to 12 fluid ounces lighter. So I'm trying to create some music for a rhythm game. And I want it to be digital. LMMS is only does so much, as in not accepting my MIDI input. Is Reaper cost not so much. You know what? Did I think there's a chance. There's a chance that maybe I already purchased something, and I don't want to show any sensitive personal information here. Let me load this up and see. The workspace. Okay, this doesn't seem to be what I was hoping it would be. Insert, no. Workspace. Okay, none there. Let me see if this one recognizes my Kiwi. I know, but I picked it up in a Humble Bundle a while back. This is three years old. I think it's the bundle. Stay there, so guitar. Stay there, guitar. Differences. Okay, so this one does get it. Um, to a point. It didn't record anything there, which interesting. Import no. Okay, so that might not be the one that I wanted from what I've purchased. Blur on, buy. Oh, I've got Audacity as well. I'm trying to find something to record and to read MIDI. That's a big thing. MIDI. Um, Let me sign in here. I'm. Oh, okay, cool. I have a sign in. Um, I'm running through an install process here that I don't want to show off. And I want to see what other stuff that I got here. Oh, I got a lot of stuff here that yeah, things are still installing here. Um, Sorry that I still have it blurred, but not that I don't trust you. Taking forever. But anyway, while we're doing that, y'all need to see this. You may or may not know that I enjoy some Overwatch occasionally. Check this shit out. Check this shit out. What's up, Echo Show? Tomorrow. Super excited for it. Let's see. Okay, we're getting more. Mixcraft. Is Mixcraft a thing that is worth using? I don't know. No, I'm not gonna upgrade. Oh, you do you? Oh, you do you? I said do. I have the entire this one is a spare. I have the entire Devastator Constructicons set up. All right, let's see. Are you going to recognize my MIDI? Thornity, I've noticed. I have unfortunately noticed. It's doing something. MIDI in, MIDI out. See, that's where I have a leg up or down. Cancel loading that. I don't want to load a video track. No, fuck that. No, 140. Okay, piano, MIDI in. Preferences. There we go. I've got MIDI in. Now, oh, that's gonna make me dizzy. External MIDI. A synth. Why can't you hear that? I know, why not? I can hear it. I can hear it very well. Preferences. Mixer. That's the second app that um that I've had issues with. Nope. No, no, no. maybe that's what happened. All right, well, there is a potential workaround here. Okay, this might be workaround. Now, if I do that, okay. All right, so now can I close that and do 16th notes here. What'd that do? Now, get the metronome. And let's see. I don't want to select anything. I just want to go back. Can we just play from here? Okay, okay. So what we can do, change the instrument here. Now, all right. Almost want like a chip tune, which that's not going to be it. What do you think it would be? Guy. What can we use for that? If anything, lead hard. Hit lead. doesn't seem to have a great like ugh. Nope. Can't do it. Can't do it. But I can't I want to find like something chiptune-ish, and that is not going to be it. It's going to be way too hard to figure this out in a with a wind instrument. Unfortunately, I don't think that I'm going to be able to accomplish what I'm wanting to accomplish. But at least I can, you know, record shit with MIDI on this thing. Right, where thing go? There we go. Also, that made me a little bit dizzy. Okay, a lot dizzy. The thing is hard to blow into. Sorry, just closing down all the stuff that might give me or give away a little bit too much about me. Just a little bit. Ooh, what's going on? Sorry, just double checking something here. Cool. Because I want to make sure that I'm not missing any like potential work related. Sorry, I am distracted. Just checking. You've got a French press already. Nice. Again, make sure that it. I mean the it needs a more coarse grind than a regular drip. Get out of here, damn bag. Oh, those hand grinders. I had one of those. Oh man, it would take way too long. My first dev job, I'm like, I'm off the ambulance. Um I'm gonna get fancy with my coffee. I got an AeroPress, brought it into the office. Sat at my desk, had a hand grinder. You know what? I'm just gonna do this, and I would sit for way too long. Okay, okay. Make sure that, and it was unpleasant. Okay, so I mean the whole thing here with trying to figure out recording stuff, what it boils down to is I need correction. I want a better um excuse me, MIDI controller. I don't need one. I want one. I don't see that happening anytime soon though, unfortunately. Especially if I want to do a any kind of rhythm game. But having beginnings of a rhythm game, let's at least with the sound that or the thing that we have. Go into 2D here, and let's just try to create some kind of visual cues. All right, so I am a fan of the Guitar Hero style. So let's still needs work, not necessarily, because at a certain point, it's diminishing returns of too much acidity coming into it versus the actual flavors coming out. With that being said, I usually when I do a French press, um, after I press the grinds down, uh, I don't dump everything out immediately. I usually will let it sit and then pour more as I get to it, but I don't let it freely hang around and bloom. Damn it. Okay, I always forget this. Control container. What? Anonymous gifter, thank you. Congrats, Echo Show, for the sub. Roll. Come on. Thank you, Anonymous Gifter, again for a sub for Omni Digital. Congratulations. I really wish that gifted subs went towards the Plus program. It's unfortunate that they don't. I understand why they don't, but I really wish they did. You know, let's not even do that. Let's just put this here. Make a black thing here. By 10. Okay, there we go. I want it snapped. Go. Stop that. Stop that. Base scene, save. Okay, now we're gonna add in the BPM track. Go. Up you in there. Wait, that won't work because it has a label and button. On play system pressed, blah blah blah, button. Button hide. There we go. Great. So let's see here. the line 2D. Oh, sure. Now those show up here. Great. All right. Here. Boop, doop, doop. Okay. Now how will we move? Uh, rigid. No, static. Um, should color rect in here as well. And layout, where is the transform? 10. Wrong. There we go. Nope, bad. Okay. So this is gonna be a note, and it's just gonna cross over. Right? I think that's what we want it to do. So the goal would be to have the note start out like right here. And then have it move here along the path down. And when it hits here, then we'll have a collision detection. Well, I'm just trying to make basically a rhythm game demo, like a Guitar Hero type. But not like a complete, but just to show how it might work. Now, from here to here, we need an amount of time to make sure that it ends up on this line at the same time as the beat. Now, the pain is going to be programming in songs, because that will have to be basically a dictionary of song information. Still needs work. That could very well be the thing, but you've never played Trombone Champ. But this is just for a demo to try and figure out how to make a rhythm game. Not necessarily for an official or an actual GUI, but just trying to make a test thing. So somehow we need to figure from here to here, based on the BPM, we'll just call this level 1, and we're going to put a script with it. Var BPM, var beat duration. Yep, just a prototype, just to see if I can make a rhythm game. And then for each one of these, we're going to have some kind of, I'd love to have like a GUI of almost like a tool, an editor tool to create the music with. And how can we do that? Well, let's take a look. There is a dock scene here. Tool. Looking at that, but I also editor plugin. Okay. So where does the dock itself? Right here. Air tree, if dock, remove control from docks. Editor plugin. Wow, that's a lot of functions. Add control to dock. So this we're actually going to learn. Oh, this could be so much fun if I don't mess it up. All right, let's zoom in just a little bit here. A little bit. Okay, maybe more than a little bit. Let's zoom in all the way. 100%. 100% on DP. And what I'm envisioning here with Godot Blue is that if for a song, to create a song, we have this screen in the place of this. So it would essentially make it a tab here, or it would be one of these tabs. Up there. So let's just put that song planner. Sure, why not? And we'll have a couple fields. Some text there. PM. Let's see. Can I quick group? Control G. Yeah. Control G. Yeah. Yeah. No. No. Hotkeys. Oh, ads. I will be back in just a couple minutes. I need to stretch. Enjoy these clips. FNZ art. Things are going pretty well. I mean, wow, shit. if he thought that I was the best streamer on Twitch and that if he thought that's understandable. So for readers coming in, my name's JD. I am a web developer, currently out of work, looking for a job. Staffing, go ahead, stretch your legs out, stretch everything that you need to stretch out. Here, I'll show you how the day is gone. The day's gone like this. We're just gonna hunt down our good boy here. Coming right for me. There we go. That's so much better. Oh, no more being brought into the kill. See the walk loop. Make sure. Taking a step. Ooh, watch me strut. Ooh, here I'm a bear. Ooh, got a big butt. Ooh, my name's Sooty. Ooh. Time for me to get some sleep. Okay, back. Instrumental funk. I find it very, very easy to work to. That reminds me, the new Beverly Hills Cop movie is pretty good. A lot of good callbacks. Bum 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 bum. Okay, this that doesn't have to be perfect. It's definitely going to need to be smaller than that. But something like this. So you enter in the BPM, you enter in the duration, you enter in the total number of beats, and then for each beat, you have this, and then the user can then program in, like, okay, you know, in theory, we could subdivide it even further and have a much bigger grid. But each of these this all translates to a dictionary that will eventually be something like that. Neither. This is an idea for a song map editor. So, I mean, this could be something like, you know, if we're using arrow keys, let's think Dance Dance Revolution. Ooh, that's too big. It could be something like that. Each of these is for one of the foot pads, or even directional keys. So no, no, no. This isn't for making music. This is just rhythm based. At least for the time being, this is just rhythm based, like activity based on the beat of the music that's playing in the background. Ah, or this could also be X, Y, A, B. It could be any number of things. But just mapping out how an individual beat might appear. So that's just an idea for a plugin or an editor plugin for it to create the map for any song. So in addition, I mean, think Guitar Hero. I mean, this could be something as simple, or it could be like it could be the Guitar Hero button pattern. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Right now, it's just a demo to see if it's a viable thing. So if I can just get it, to where, you know, pressing the arrow keys, left, right, up, down, works, that's a winner. But the problem now is we have notes. And then for each one of these, this level, we're probably going to need to create a path from here down, then have a range of where, if note is within this area, then it's being read, it's being interpreted, and any button or any attempt to play will go towards that note. We'll have to divide it into sections of good, better, best, or miss is outside of the box, good is within this section of it, and perfect is right on the money here. But there has to be calculations to figure out, all right, if we have a note starting here and we know that it's going to be on beat 2, how fast does it need to go from appearing to being on beat 2, or to lining up here when it hits beat 2? And this doesn't necessarily have to be this way. It could also be a single Yeah, it could. But let's not get too far ahead of ourselves trying to figure out that part. Let's just get the basic the basic control, the basic, you know, input detection. I've seen other ways of doing it too, where instead of like that, there's a instead of having the possibility of multiple inputs, having something like, no, it's not that. Ah, and watching these. Move across. Do, 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 do. I don't think I ever had an actual scope creep emote. I just started naming people scope creep. Scope creep. So let's think more simplistic. Oh, I was going to, but then the GIF wasn't coming out right. I still have the video, I just don't have the GIF. Let's let's simplify this shit by a lot. Oh, okay. Ah, hell. There we go. Okay. So we need to calculate the amount of time it's going to take a note to get from here starting from here to here. Okay, back that. So we need a path. We need to know how many beats before it shows up that it's going to take to get to show up there. So let's see. Path 2D. Um, nope, 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 nope. And let's put in a path follow here. So we need it to follow a path. Or if it's missed, no, we can just have that path go to the end. Get rid of that last one. And so 100% on the path follow. Going to be right there. Let's go back to the note here and let's center. Okay, great. So we basically want it to move 25% each beat leading up to it. So four beats previous be our standard, right? Four, three, two, oh, one. Right? How does that make sense? So you think it'll be better if it's 3210. Let me pull. No. So 25% it's here, and at when it hits 0, so 100%, 75, 50, 25 there. But it'll still animate at that point. So here in the BPM track, get a beat timer. And what am I doing with that? Add child. So how do we do that? Do we do it as an animation, or do we do it as just a positional change? Or no, not even that. Can't think of it. I can't think of how we should do that. To pull that in. Um, I don't know that I'm going to think of that, because I have idea. Me have idea. That we need within the level. We have the beat duration, we have the tempo. Interval. var map, song map. Okay, so this is an example map. Um, var, no. Var time for start. Song. Oh, audio. Time before start audio. It's going to be a float. Oh, let's see. Let's export var recount. Okay, there we go. So what do we think of this so far? I have, did I have multiple path follow 2Ds? Or allow for multiple, like instantiate a new one each time? Just path 2D, add child. Call that the rhythm bar. Note position. Look at this in 2D really quick, just really quick, and see. So just looking at this here, not that. And see it move across like that until it hits 1, right? So now the goal is that we want to make sure that it goes so much, or animation would work for this, but I think it's going to be better to set it here. Then within the script, um, process delta float here. Let's pass so we don't get it. Almost going to need to do one of these on each. Wait a minute. So when this becomes visible, oh, I don't know. I don't know.
Hey,
What?
insert rating streamer's name here. Thank
Dude,
you for
welcome
the raid.
in.
How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Raiders, 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 taking a step, just got some raiders. Raiders, taking a step, just got some raiders. You raided me, thank you. You raided me, thank you. Raiders, 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 taking a step, just got some raiders.
Welcome in, Goob. How you doing?
For me, and Jotson and Jackie Codes and you guys ultimately hanging out here supporting me. Even just like 1 or 2 people, you know?
I can name drop
Then
too.
draw, my friend, while the iron's still hot and all that. No, 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 no. I'm building up my desire to draw.
Right on, right on. Excuse me. Hopefully that's going well. If there's anything you want to share, feel free. It's all yours. Um, Welcome in Raiders. For those of you who don't know me, I'm JD. I'm a web developer, currently looking for work, also learning Godot myself. I'm currently right on. No worries. As always, you're more than welcome to share if stuff becomes available. And if not, no worries. Welcome back, Ryan. Good to see you. For those of you who don't know me, I'm JD, web developer looking for work, currently learning Godot, and currently working on a little bit of a side project to freshen my skills and learn something new. Trying to learn how to make a rhythm game. And right now I'm at the stage where I want to move notes across a bar to a target area where we then determine whether or not a hit is valid. And I'm just trying to figure that out right now. The pre-count here is how long from appearance to note crossing target zone. So, and I've created just a basic song map here where we're going to line up these numbers will map to a key press, probably just UI up, UI down for now. Excuse me. But before the music even starts, we want a bit of time for the animation or for something to indicate that there's going to be progress here, or that the thing, whoops, that the thing is going to be moving. We want that to be approximately 4 beats. So 4, 3, 2, 1, cross. And that is where I'm getting kind of stuck, and I think it's because my brain is getting kind of fried. So if anybody has any ideas on how to do this, I'm thinking that we need to have the progress ratio map to the percentage of. So I've actually I'm able to track, if I'm hitting the beat on the button. Right now it's just a visual cue. And while I'm thinking about it though, okay, so rhythm bar. Get children. This won't work. Well, actually, it could. If we have a pool of, well, that could be a bit of a pain. But having a pool, or the pool of notes off screen, assuming that they pop in order. But I don't think that'll work. So start song. Pass so you don't yell at me. Stop yelling at me. I almost feel like each of these, I don't know. That's a lot of setting data and potential for slowing things down. But I almost feel like each Path 2D no, I don't know. Cancel, cancel. All right, so excuse me. Brain is a bit fried. Been a long day. Interviews and stuff, and I also haven't really eaten. So I think that it might be time to eat. Means it might be time to raid. And Goob, I know that you came in about 10 minutes ago. So I think we're going to just pass the love on. And I think we will go over to, I don't think I've been to, I haven't been over to Tom in a while, right? Yeah, let's just head on over there. All right, so let me see if I can do this in time. Folks on YouTube, I'm going to say goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe to me over there. And if you haven't subscribed to me, if you're over here on Twitch, click that link. Make things really easy for you. Support me financially on Kofi if you want to support my game development habit and my habit of having a house. Every bit it helps. Join the Discord. It's where stuff happens and things. And let's see if this works. I'm not. Oh, new subs. I should have waited until after. To do this because it's a 30-second thing. New subs from Bun Bun TV. Also several gift subs from Anonymous and Bun Bun TV. New follows from Echo Show Omni Digital and PCW LLC. We got rated by Omni Digital Practical Proton Average Goob. I appreciate all of you. Thank you all for hanging out. Been great. It's been a lot of fun. I will be back tomorrow. RCB. I will hydrate after the raid because we got 8 seconds. Take care. Bye-bye.